Here is a beginner-level store manager quiz that covers visual merchandising and store presentation, compliance and safety regulations, and technology and POS systems management. Let's go. Question 1. What is the primary goal of visual merchandising? A. Attract customers and increase sales. B. Make the store look crowded. C. Focus only on high-priced products. And D. Confuse customers with mixed layouts. Answer: attract customers and increase sales. Question 2. Which of the following is an effective visual merchandising technique? A. Placing best-selling products at the back of the store. B. Using lighting, colors and displays to highlight key products. C. Keeping shelves empty to create demand. And D. Avoiding seasonal themes. Answer: using lighting, colors and displays to highlight key products. Question 3. Why is proper store layout important? A. It slows down customer movement. B. It makes stocking shelves harder. C. It increases product confusion. And D. It improves the customer shopping experience. Answer: it improves the customer shopping experience. Question 4. Which of these display strategies is most effective for increasing impulse purchases? A. Hiding promotional items in the stockroom. B. Keeping expensive products near the entrance. C. Placing small, essential items near checkout counters. And D. Removing promotional signs. Answer: placing small essential items near checkout counters. Question 5. Which of the following contributes to effective store presentation? A. Cluttered shelves. B. Well-organized product displays and clean aisles. C. Poor lighting and scattered products. And D. Ignoring customer movement patterns. Answer: well-organized product displays and clean aisles. Question 6. Why should seasonal displays be updated regularly? A. To keep the store looking fresh and relevant. B. To confuse customers about store themes. C. To reduce the number of available products. And D. To avoid customer interest in new arrivals. Answer: to keep the store looking fresh and relevant. Question 7. What is the best way to evaluate the effectiveness of a store's visual merchandising? A. Keeping the same display all year round. B. Ignoring customer preferences. C. Analyzing sales data and customer feedback. And D. Avoiding staff input on layouts. Answer: analyzing sales data and customer feedback. Question 8. Why is compliance with store regulations important? A. It makes store management harder. B. It ensures legal and safety standards are met. C. It increases business risks. And D. It reduces store efficiency. Answer: it ensures legal and safety standards are met. Question 9. What should a store manager do to ensure workplace safety? A. Avoid enforcing safety protocols. B. Ignore safety concerns. C. Allow employees to handle dangerous equipment without training. And D. Conduct regular safety inspections and staff training. Answer: conduct regular safety inspections and staff training. Question 10. Which of these is a common workplace hazard in retail stores? A. Well-lit aisles and clean floors. B. Slippery floors and poor lighting. C. Properly stored inventory. And D. Organized workspaces. Answer: slippery floors and poor lighting. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is the purpose of emergency exit signs in a store? A. To increase sales. B. To add decoration to the store. C. To confuse customers about store layout. And D. To guide employees and customers to safety during emergencies. Answer: to guide employees and customers to safety during emergencies. Question 12. How can a store reduce the risk of theft? A. Keeping high-value products unmonitored. B. Allowing customers to enter stock rooms. C. Installing security cameras and training staff on loss prevention. And D. Ignoring suspicious behavior. Answer: installing security cameras and training staff on loss prevention. Question 13. Why is it important for employees to follow hygiene and sanitation rules? A. To ensure customer health and maintain a clean shopping environment. B. To make employees work longer hours. C. To avoid organizing shelves. And D. To reduce store visibility. Answer: to ensure customer health and maintain a clean shopping environment. Question 14. Which of these actions should a store manager take during an emergency? A. Avoid reporting incidents. B. Ignore the situation and continue working. C. Allow employees to handle emergencies without guidance. And D. Follow the store's emergency action plan. Answer: follow the store's emergency action plan. Question 15. What is the main function of a point-of-sale POS system? A. To replace store managers. B. To store inventory in the back room. C. To process sales transactions efficiently. And D. To remove discounts. Answer: to process sales transactions efficiently. Question 16. How does technology help in store management? A. By improving efficiency and tracking sales data. B. By making work harder for employees. C. By replacing customer service with automation. And D. By increasing manual paperwork. Answer: by improving efficiency and tracking sales data. Question 17. Which of these is an advantage of using barcode scanners? A. It increases pricing errors. B. It speeds up the checkout process. C. It makes inventory tracking harder. And D. It removes the need for customer service. Answer: it speeds up the checkout process. Question 18. What should a store manager do when a POS system crashes? A. Follow troubleshooting steps and contact technical support. B. Shut down the store immediately. C. Ignore the problem and wait for it to resolve itself. And D. Manually write down transactions without informing IT. Answer: follow troubleshooting steps and contact technical support. Question 19. How does a loyalty program integrated into a POS system benefit a store? A. Removes personalized shopping experiences. B. Reduces customer retention. C. Increases checkout time unnecessarily. And D. Encourages repeat customers through rewards and discounts. Answer: encourages repeat customers through rewards and discounts. Question 20. Why is real-time inventory tracking important in POS systems? A. It helps maintain accurate stock levels. B. It increases stock loss. C. It slows down checkout transactions. And D. It reduces employee efficiency. Answer: it helps maintain accurate stock levels. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.